According to the clock that I'm looking at, the current time is 11:05 in the morning. If it's 11:05 in the morning it's a Saturday, you're watching Clown Time. Now, if you happen to be making the mistake of actually watching Clown Time, then it is your own fault for watching this piece of crap.
Hey, Laurie, can you do me a favor and come give me a hand for a second?
My beautiful unwanted assistant, who I appreciate, will now like give me a zoom in focus, because I have no time to be able to get behind that camera, actually size this piece of crap up. There it is. Bring it in, bring it all the way in, bring it all the way in. Keep coming as far as you can. Now turn the knob until it comes into focus. Let me guess, it's not focusing. Okay, reach towards the front of the camera. Oh, wait, there it is, there it is, there it is. Oh, yeah. That's disgusting, thank you. Now just zoom out. That's good. Now, pull the handles down. Okay, other way, my bad. Up just a little bit. Up, 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 up. Bueno. No, wide, no, wide, wider, 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 wider. That's good. That's good. A little bit too wide. A little closer. There you go. Good enough. That's bueno. That's about as ugly as I'm gonna get. No, that's good. I'd rather remain just a little bit of distance between me and the poor chumps actually watching this shit. Huh? Yeah, it should stay, that's how you focus, is you zoom in tight, you focus, and then when you pull back, your focus should be just fine. Hey, there you go. Thanks. So anyhow, tonight's topic is hand or belch. If you feel like getting off your ass and actually calling, it's 472-BALK. Do not ask me what that stands for. It's just there. Oh, you people must be wasted from ACL Fest. Hope that went okay. Even if it didn't, maybe you're all just wasted in the first place, which would be perfectly good by clown. As you can see, my shirt from last week, which was somewhat clean from getting off a drunk frat boy, is now almost completely dirty due to the fact that, well, I had to work on somebody else's car so I could get some glue. We all know that clown's drug of choice is glue. Glue is the best for me and you. It's just the way things are. Now, right now we have the beautiful thing in the area known as Cedar. Everybody's head is exploding, and hopefully everybody's taking enough drugs to make themselves pass out. If you are passed out right now, good. It means you're not watching this crap, and you are safe. If you happen to be actually watching this crap, and even considering calling that number, do so at your own risk. That's why the beginning of this said, you are watching this at your own risk. And what you do is your own business. Apparently there will be no business tonight, but that's okay by me, because I could use the sleep. I had to make a hard decision this week. I had to decide whether to go racing or go to a wedding. We'll figure that out in a minute. You got the time.
Is this Clown Time, Or Belch?
This is it.
I choose Belch.
Excellent. What else we got down the brain pan this evening? Sounds like we got a party going on.
What the fat guy's name you killed for that shirt is?
I did. Look, it's all greasy now. Like I said, I had to earn a living. Had to go get some glue.
Dude, listen.
It's just the way life is. I mean,
Dude, listen.
What?
Dude.
Brother.
Hey, dude, listen. Dude.
Right.
Hey.
Right.
Hey, you're not at the end of the road, dude. You can turn around. You look like an idiot.
Well, what if we're like facing forward just to...
Come on, dude. You look so terrible up there.
Good, I'm glad. Hey, wait. Is this scaring you or just annoying you?
You look like a terrible guy.
Good, I hope it's...
You're such a terrible douche.
No. What's... how do you know what a douche looks like? Have you been watching your mom practice again? Have you been watching your mom practice douching again?
I'm sorry about that.
That's okay. He's been watching his little brother practicing douching. That's called an enema, Junior. That's why it doesn't look so great. You know, kind of muddy water kind of look. It's called an enema. Unless somebody that you know that happens to be female is saving it up until it's about 6 weeks old and then dumping it. Then it would be brown. And real thick. And kind of look like 6 months old, 30 weight. What a beautiful thought that is. You got the time.
Is this the show? Clown time?
That is correct.
Oh, I'm talking to you on the air.
Unfortunately so. Please answer the question.
What is the question?
If you look on your TV set, you have a choice of picking one thing or the other. Please pick one.
The one on the left or the one on the right?
I don't care which one. Pick.
The left. Chig. I have no idea what you're talking about.
Are you looking at a TV screen right now?
Yes, I am.
Right above me, it says hand or...
Oh, hand or belch. Oh, okay. Well, there's so much information. I'm just confused.
Well, that's okay. It's all natural, I hope.
Yeah, belch.
Excellent. So what else you got on your brain pan tonight?
What else have I got on my brain pan?
Yep.
Presidential debates.
Oh, please, no. No, we don't talk politics here.
No? What do you talk? Clown?
Well, we okay, if you could go to... okay, I'm going to put it this way. What would you trade ACL tickets for?
Nothing. If I had them, I would trade them for a lot of things. But I wouldn't want to trade something for ACL tickets.
Well, like, okay, say, like, that's what I mean. Say you had ACL tickets, and that's what people do in Austin. They buy the tickets, and they sell them to people from out of town, which is good for us.
Yeah, that's true.
So I would trade, about 2 ounces.
See, I don't smoke pot anymore.
Well, I didn't say 2 ounces of what?
Oh, 2 ounces of Mountain Dew, maybe. Fluid ounces.
Yeah, well, 2 ounces of mushroom, 2 ounces of gear lube. You know, I would trade 2 ounces.
2 ounces. Let's see, what would I trade for ACL tickets? Oh, 2 ounces of gold, my girlfriend says. That's really
see how the women just jump on that green, that hard green, that like 2 ounces of diamonds.
She's dirty. All she wants is the money.
Fuck yeah. See, she's got her mind in the right place. We're stupid. We'll trade low. I'm sorry, Monty. I'll take that for $2. And she's there like, I'll take that for $1,000, motherfucker.
It's true.
She's all about it. All about it. She's got the perspective. That's cool.
2 ounces of gold is worth about $2,000.
She said 2 ounces of gold is worth about $2,000.
Okay, but would you trade for 2 ounces of gold teeth, or just 2 ounces of gold bars, or 2 ounces of gold flake?
Whatever.
She said she'll take it anyway.
Sweet. I like that. Doesn't matter where you get it, as long as you got it. That's cool.
What happens if I say hand?
It doesn't matter. You already chose.
I chose belch.
Yeah. So it doesn't matter. It's my call screener. I got no call screeners, but due to the fact that you could actually answer the question, it means you might have the chance of being fairly lucid, so we could actually maybe hold a decent conversation.
The beauty of it is that I am totally lucid and I have a very difficult time answering your question.
Oh, well, then the fault is yours, not mine.
No, I'm taking full responsibility, but I just think it's funny because you paid me a compliment that I may not deserve.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to get off the phone now. It's been nice talking to you, clown.
See you later.
Yep, bye.
You got the time.
How you doing, my friend?
Doing well. Answer the question, please.
Belch.
There you go. What else can we do for you?
I was going to just see what's going on with the clown.
Well, we're just standing here walking in circles saying, if I had the opportunity to run naked into the chambers of the Texas Board of Railroad Commissions and light a fart and say, there's your propane for your train, I'd do it.
Hello?
Yeah, you're there. What you're hearing is you're hearing your TV in a 4-second delay. Ignore your TV and talk to your phone.
Oh, okay. Damn, man, that's fucking crazy. That's pretty cool. That'd be fucking badass.
Yeah, and then I let Leslie come running in and shoot ping pong balls at him. That'd be really great.
Oh, fucking Leslie?
So what would you do? What would you do if you could get away with it?
I'd fucking do it.
Come on, there'd have to be something you would love to do that you can't, but you would really want to if you could get away with it.
Uh-huh.
What is it?
Shit, man, I don't fucking know. That's crazy.
First thing that pops, come on, man. First thing that pops in your skull, like, okay, I'd love to be able to.
I'm brain right now, man. I'm buzzing.
Okay, well, I'll let you keep buzzing. I'm gonna go piss off other people. Okay.
All right, buddy. Have a good one.
You got the time.
Hey.
Hi, how you doing?
What up with it?
Answer the question and we'll find out.
Hand.
Right on. Solid. So what's on your mind? What's going on with your brain tonight?
Let's see what the fuck your TV show's about.
It's about you and me discussing whatever you feel like talking about. As long as it ain't politics, and as long as it ain't God, we open. Like,
oh, well, shit.
Like, if you were to throw down and you going at it with somebody, right? Would you rather have a 45 or a 9?
I wouldn't have either one.
What would you have?
I'll bust your bitch ass. Just plain and simple.
Oh, just straight up fists?
I'll fucking slap the shit out of you.
Well, no, I'm talking about say it's like you versus one or ever, like if you were in the middle of it and you could have something, what would you have? Like an AK-47?
Yeah, fuck it. I'd have an AK.
AK would be pretty cool. It'd be a whole lot better than an M16 because an AK will wipe the shit out of anybody versus an M16.
Yeah.
So yeah, that'd be cool. That'd be cool. Anything else?
Nah, your show is fucking throwing, man.
I appreciate that, man. I know it's just like we're just throwing it on the wall and seeing what stick. Peace.
Nah, already. Be safe, my name.
Right on.
I'm trying to fold my shit over my penis so it looks like one of those male models on the internet, but I can't because my shit folds.
Hello?
So you want to be pulling your dick like a male model on the internet? Okay by me.
Hello?
What?
Hello?
Joey, pick up the phone, Joey.
Hi, this is Pete Stickamarillas. Hello?
No, man, you can't say that on this show. That's fucked.
Hi, hello. Hi.
Hi, are you high?
Hi, hello, hey, hi.
Hi, ho, ho, hi. Are you high?
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Can you help me?
Hi. Yeah, I can hear. I can't hear you.
Can you help me?
Yeah. I cannot.
Hello. Can you help me?
Who are you?
Hello. Help me.
I can't.
Hello.
I don't want to help you. I hate you.
Hello. Can you help me?
I hate you. I'm not going to help you. I fucking hate you. I'm not going to help you. I don't care how many quarters you throw at me. I'm not going to help you. You got the time.
Oh, man.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm pretty good.
I'm sorry?
I'm not doing it.
See what happens when you give the phone to people who have no idea what the fuck's going on? They just can't quite grasp the concept. He was trying. He just wasn't quite there. That's good. That's like just waking up the passenger and saying, hey, man, can you do me a favor and hold the steering wheel for a minute? Will you open the driver's door and just lean out and take a piss? You're still working the pedals, but he's driving and he's not quite awake yet. So your car always has a tendency to pull over to the right-hand side because that's the side he's sitting on. You ever check out one of them old-time movies where the guy just fades in like Alfred Hitchcock? And you got the same music playing and Hi, I'd like to talk to you for just a moment about your childhood. I want to tell you right now exactly how screwed up it was. Because I, being an expert on screwed up childhoods, by looking over your case history, can tell you right off the bat that you had one fucked up childhood. Now, it's not because your daddy wouldn't take you to the circus. It is not because your mom made you clean your room. It is not because your parents took you to church or allowed you to do drugs. No. The reason, the only reason, the one and only reason that your entire childhood was so thoroughly screwed up is... Oh, I got a caller. Hang on. You got the time. Man, you hear the click or you hear the phone go dead, just keep talking. Don't hang up. Leave me all alone like that. So if you are in the center turn lane and you are about to turn and another vehicle is coming in the other direction, A, should you wait for that vehicle to pass? B, if you have enough time before it gets there to turn safely, should you do so? Or C, should you turn when it's almost there, making the other driver slam on the brakes and give you the finger? If you're in California, that doesn't apply because traffic never moves anyhow, but they usually let it pass. If you were in New York, you do C. And if you're in Austin, hopefully you might do B. But you never know. Around here, I think we're trying to imitate Houston's driving, or Corpus's, which is even fucking worse, as often as possible. You got the time.
Time. What's going on, my friend? You got the time.
Answer the question for me, please.
Yes, sir.
Answer the question for me, please.
Can you answer the question?
Which one?
Do you even know what the question is?
Hand.
Excellent. Fantastic. Outstanding. What else you got for me tonight?
I don't know, man. Just partying.
Partying. Who are you partying with? By yourself? With friends?
Yes, sir.
Wait. You didn't call. No. Let's put the brake on this. You didn't by chance happen to make the mistake of calling me sir, did you? I am serious as a heart attack. I am serious as a heart attack right now. You did not make the mistake of calling me sir, did you?
Yes, sir, I did.
Ow! Yes, sir, I did. No, I have not cussed you. I have not talked bad about your little brother. I have not made fun of the fact that your mom still dresses you funny. And you go and insult me by calling me sir. Now, if you want to call me clown, that's cool. If you want to call me dick sucker, faggot, queer, a whole lot of other nasty ass shit, I don't give a shit. If you wanted to call me the reason to have an abortion, that's even cool too. But don't call me sir.
Cool. Oh, okay, man. My bad.
Yeah, call me whatever you want, but just don't call me sir. Just say, hey, clown.
Clown time.
Yeah, just say clown, man. Yeah, I got my friends over because we got some good bands in town, and we ain't got passes, but we're gonna walk up to the fences with lawn chairs and just listen to the music. Now that'd be cool.
Let's go fucking party like a motherfucker, man, at the ACL Fest.
Yeah.
There's gonna be some badass fucking bands, or they're gonna be the same fucking bands.
No, we got some really good bands coming in, man. It's ACL Fest, so they actually got some decent shit coming in. Yeah.
I want to see some fucking Iron Maiden, some fucking Ozzy.
Oh man, what did you go down and catch a Metal Fest? It was Motorhead, it was Judas Priest, it was a couple other bands, man, down in San Antonio about a month ago.
Oh fuck! Why do they got them fucking good bands go up there, but they don't come to Austin?
Because we ain't got no outdoor venues like South Park Meadows anymore to put them in.
Oh fuck! Well, we need to fucking get some shit going on here in Austin.
Well, I'll tell you, man, Austin is just not a metal town. San Antonio is about the metal. But Austin, no.
You need to get some fucking Metallica, some fucking...
No, I'm sorry, Metallica is no longer metal.
Metallica sucks, though?
They fucking blow. Metallica fucking blows.
What do you think about all this fuck?
Okay, let me put it this way. I would rather listen to Lionel Richie now than I would Metallica.
Oh, Lionel Richie, he's all right, man. That's some fucking that's some good fucking music.
Yeah. Well, I gotta go piss off other people. I'll be back.
All right, man. We'll talk to you later, buddy. Bye.
You got the time.
Hello, baby. You sound sick. You got the sniffles. Hand. You got the sniffles, baby. Why don't you take your medicine? Hey, I got a question. When you get better, can I rent you for my retarded brother's birthday party? I don't feel it. Do you feel okay? Answer me, baby. I'm worried about you.
Yeah. You see, I'm okay. I made a mistake of mixing some of my gin with your brother's cough syrup, and man, that fucked me up. And yeah, I'm really sorry I took all those balloon animals and I put them in the shapes of vaginas and I put them on the kids' heads. But those kids were fucking enjoying it.
I gotta be honest with you, all the sniffling's turning me on. Keep sniffling, sucking up your snot, baby. It's getting me all crazy wet.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, baby.
It reminds you like the closet days of disco and all that coke. Oh yeah, baby.
Yeah. Can I rent you for my retarded brother's birthday party? It'll be awesome.
Hey,
there'll be balloons and animals.
No, man, I'm sorry, but all I do is missing persons. See?
$10. I give you $10.
You got the time.
Hello.
Good evening.
What's going on?
Answer the question, please.
I want to talk about the Illuminati.
You can do that if you answer the question. You gonna answer the question?
What's your question?
Look right above me where it says clown time. What else does it say?
Clown time, hand or belch.
Now, pick one.
Belch.
Now, you were saying about the Illuminati?
Oh, yeah. Just trying to talk about the Illuminati. What's your opinion on it? What do you think about it?
If you want opinions on that, go to Infowars.com. You got the time?
Hey, what time did you come on, clown?
1 o'clock.
You did? How late you staying on tonight, buddy?
2:30.
Good. 2:30. Let me turn the TV down. Hang on. I know how to do it. I know how it rolls. Turn the fucking TV down, people, and pick a goddamn part of the question. Hand.
Sweetness!
Hand job. How about that? Are you there?
I'm right here, baby. I'm giving you the hand job right on TV.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Oh. Sticky fingers.
Shit, man. Wait a minute. I'm looking at your hair. Now, I thought last week you didn't. I thought last week you were bald or something close to it. What's up with that hair?
Had to do some work.
Okay, that's the real deal.
Notice something's missing.
Hey, your long. Don't tell me it's your long.
My wolfies are gone.
Your wolfies are gone.
Yeah, I'm clean shaven and my wolfies are gone, man. I fucking miss them already.
Wolfies, are those sideburns or what?
Well, no, it's like my neck hairs, my wolfies.
Dude, that was your neck hair going that long?
Fuck yeah, it was.
Oh, heinous, dude.
Fuck yeah. Man, I had those things long enough to touch in the middle with a couple of inches extra. It's fucking fabulous.
Fuck, man.
But to show some people you actually give a damn about them, you actually do some shit you'd rather not, but you do it anyhow.
So last week you only went from 1:30 to 2:30, right?
Well, no, I went from 1 till 2:30. You just happened to tune in late.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Well, you're actually early this week. Last time you were in at about 45. You're actually about 10 minutes early.
Yeah, well, I work, man. I play fucking music, man. I got jobs to play, man. So I come home and I trip out on you.
So, but speaking of that, you must be busy for, like, playing ACL Fest.
No, I don't play ACL Fest, dude. I'm just a fucking restaurant whore playing whatever people want to hear, man. I'm trying to
you got no private naked parties going on for ACL Fest? Damn, dude, you ain't got the right gigs.
Shit, I guess so. I'm getting old for that, man. I don't know, man.
See, what you should be doing right now is this should be recording, and you should be in one of the suites at one of the local big fancy hotels, sitting there playing your guitar naked while an orgy is going on in front of you for just the green.
Oh, I see. Do I get to jerk off?
Well, no, but some chick can come up and blow you if you're still good enough to keep playing while she's blowing you.
Hand job. How about hand job? And then she can belch while she's giving me a hand job.
Oh, no, see why she's giving you head, she starts belching. It's even better. Baby, I don't want no Hummer. I want a belch.
Hummer. Oh, that's when the chick, like, hums on your cock.
Yeah, exactly.
Hummers.
Tell her you want a belch. You want a true blow job.
Fuck, dude. Have you ever seen any of that hardcore porn where, like, they've just fucking brutalized the chick on a fucking blowjob, like they're skull fucking her, basically?
Yeah, there are sites if you want to go there, not for quite the clown, but...
No, it's not for me either, dude, but the girls are into it.
Although, if you're into bondage, there is this place called Tight or Rope Trick, where it shows all these chicks just, like, literally hanging from ropes and shit.
Bro,
stuff.
Dude. Fuck, man. Do you have a computer?
Yeah, well, libraries do.
Oh, you almost said yes.
Well, yeah, I said yes, libraries do. Of course, you've got to be very sneaky about that stuff because they monitor them, so you can only get real small glimpses before you go on to other things.
You'd think they'd have a filter on the porn in the library.
Well, you see, there are certain ways you can work around that if you know the techniques, but the thing is, you only have the time to when the person behind the counter is kind of busy doing something until they sit back down. So that's why you got to halfway keep an eye on them and keep an eye on your board at the same time.
That's when you've got the time.
Yeah, that's right. That's what we call it.
At the time. I love it when I get the time. Now, there's an hour left. I'm not going to hog it all, but I'll tell you what. I got to get some clown, man.
All right. You going to rip one for me real quick?
Oh, how did you know? You just know me by voice. That's awesome, dude.
That's right. I recognize you, and it's like, it's time to go to the sun.
Hang on, let me pack it up. Hang on. Okay, here we go.
Pack it up. Pack it in. Let me tell you, my friend. You got to go. You got to give me that cherry. You got to go.
Hang on, Clown, because this is no simulation. I don't simulate it, man. I do it.
I know. You give me the real thing, baby.
Hang on, buddy. Here we go. I was unprepared.
You pack that bowl. You like that cherry. You give me God of Mary.
Okay, here we go. Hang on. This is for all the people of Austin.
Put your hands on the TV sets, kiddies, and feel that love.
Yes, here you go. It's the best I can do.
Praise the power, children. Can you feel it? Can you feel it coming through your TVs?
Oh, yeah, buddy. You got good ears, Clown. You recognize a lot of people by ears, and that takes a little bit of skill. You're an intelligent guy, dude, and I still don't believe you live in a dumpster, man, but I'm still going to watch you every week, whether you live in a dumpster or not.
Check out the shirt, see? See how the shirt's got all those stains on it now? See?
Wait a minute. Those are stains? I thought that was... What the fuck is that? No,
see, that's stains. That's grease and oil.
Come on, Clown.
No, I'm serious. I've been crawling under a few cars because I needed some glue, so you got to do a little work.
All right. God damn it. Okay, my clown lives in a dumpster. I'll call you later, buddy.
See you in a bit.
Bye.
You got the time.
Oh, hello?
Good evening.
Ham.
Excellent. What else you got for me?
Hey, you look kind of cute. I'm calling because if anybody wants to give me some dig, they can call me.
Call you what? Call you daddy?
No, call me on my cell phone.
Now, exactly how are they going to do that?
What up, Graham?
We all gonna sing along. How you been? I missed you.
What you up to?
Oh, just, racing, working, gluing.
Yeah, you stoned?
But, I'm racing out at Thunder Hill now. Gonna be there next season. Yeah. All right, I gotta go.
Fuck you, fucking nigga.
I like that.
Fucking white cracker.
That's it. Hey, I'm so white, I give milk as well. White cracker and milk.
Fuck you, fucking faggot. Fuck all of those fucking fat asses, fucking bitches. Fuck all of y'all. Hey, well, I had to say something.
You got the time.
And
Excellent. What else you got for me?
I want to give a shout out to everybody from 5-2 and say that you're the fucking weirdest person in the world.
I appreciate that. That's a compliment I'll take any day of the week, man. That's excellent.
All right, well, you have a good night.
Sweet. Peace. You got the time.
I like to make my ass belch.
What do you make your ass belch, master?
I do it on a daily basis.
Does your ass belch the bones of the dead? And do you pick the souls of the victims from between your teeth? And then you stomp them with your cloven hooves, oh master?
No, I go see Ol'Bitty about it.
Oh, you sit down for tea and whiskey. I like that.
Yes, and crumpets. She lets me touch her legs. I like her hair. It's fine and silky. And it makes my tongue dance in my mouth and get watery like Pavlov's dog.
I'm about to throw up. Hang on a second.
I like to throw up in my mouth as I'm doing it. Alright, go down. Get back to your juvenile games. And I'm gonna go run the streets.
G-Man. You got the time?
Yeah. Belch.
Excellent. What else you got for me?
I got a song for you.
First fan, put him up. This person's getting really hot. This person can't be stopped. This person's getting really hot. This person can't be.
Versus number 1 would be wrecking for the ATX. If you wanna talk, nigga, come and bring your fucking plex. We gonna step up, nigga. We gonna rep our crew. We gonna do what we gotta do to keep it real true.
Tight. You got the time? Good evening. Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
How you doing?
Hello?
Yes, good evening.
Yes. Hello?
Hi, can you answer the question, please?
What question?
Are you looking at your TV at the present time?
Yes.
Right above my cranium, there are 2 words. Pick one, please.
Belch.
Excellent. What else is upon your mind that you would like to release this evening?
Well, I just want to talk about, like, politics.
Want to talk about what?
Like politics, like, you know, like the president and who's running.
Oh, politics.
Yeah.
Sorry, we don't do that here.
What's that?
We do not discuss politics.
Why not?
Okay. The conspiracy theorists take care of all that. The religious is taken by all the shows that are done broadcasting to you live from our church to you for Jesus. No. Here we talk about things like if you had the opportunity to run up and spray paint any word on the side of the Capitol, what word would you choose to put there?
9/11 was an inside job.
Okay, so you would run up and on the side of the Capitol you would put 9/11 was done by the janitors.
I don't understand what's going on here. Like, it's kind of weird.
Okay, you just said to me that you believe that 9/11, that the towers were brought down by an inside job, correct?
Yes.
Okay. What group of people works on the inside of buildings basically by themselves at night?
What kind of what?
Janitors.
Oh, yes.
So, therefore, you are saying that the Twin Towers were actually brought down by the janitors.
Could be.
So there you go. Just say it that way. I believe that the 2 towers were brought down by the janitors. Therefore, we concluded that it was an inside job.
How are y'all doing that? That's weird.
Doing what?
The way y'all are like, the way y'all are talking or whatever, it's kind of strange.
Now I'm lost. You got the time. Hello. Good evening.
Hey, baby. So,
Are you gonna answer the question?
Oh, hand.
Hey, there you go.
Okay.
Proceed.
Hey, can I see those roses on your ass?
Yes, I do have roses on my ass.
I said, can I see them?
No, I haven't got them.
Horny.
I have.
Jack off.
I have not gotten any work done on them lately, so no, you cannot see them.
What you think about my brother?
Your brother be tight.
Yeah, my brother be freaking me out.
Now he got some muscle control that'll just rip your socks right off, baby. But other than that, I just don't know what else to say about it.
You need potted. You need to smoke that weed, huh?
You got the time.
Hey, yeah, I got a hand, but hey, I never got to see what you want.
I'm sorry?
What's wrong with YouTube?
What's wrong with YouTube?
What's wrong with YouTube? I got a hand. What's wrong with YouTube?
Oh! I'd probably choose Belch.
That's what I'm talking about. Hey, spit a 16.
Okay, run that by me again?
Yeah, spit a 16 verse, like a flow.
Oh, yeah, kick it. If you got it, lay it down, baby. I'm all about it.
I want to hear you get it.
Oh, man. Shit. You think a white boy clown got talent?
I want to hear you get it. Oh. Yeah, I think you do, dog. Let me hear you get it one.
Okay, let's see. I got my caller. He's gonna holler. He's gonna bring me Mary Jane. You see, I'm standing here. I got no talent. That's why I got the show. Ain't no word about it. Can't you see? I ain't got homie. I ain't got nothing because I live in a dumpster. You see, I'm out on campus going on rampus, going after hot little chickies in the ass.
Hey, when you